Origin and evolution of life. Introduction. Living organisms possesses distinct characteristics, display organizational and functional unity. Entail a mechanism of origin and evolution of diversities and maintain a balanced relationship with nature. The history of life comprises of two aspects. One is the origin of life on earth and the other is mechanism involved in the gradual changes and adaptations of living organisms through time, which is known as the evolution of life. Origin of life. Origin of earth. Origin of life is linked with the origin of earth. The Big Bang theory explains the origin of universe. It proposes that the universe had an explosive beginning and originated 15 billion years ago. The universe comprised of stars, clouds of gas and dust which form the galaxies. The earth was supposed to have been formed without 4.5 billion years back. Life appeared 500 million years after the formation of earth. Theories of origin of life. Many theories have been postulated to explain the origin of life. The views on the origin of life has been put forth as special creation, spontaneous generation, abiogenesis, biogenesis, extraterrestrial or cosmic origin, chemical evolution of life. Evidences from morphology and anatomy. The comparative study of morphology and anatomy of animals reveal that they possess a common set of characteristics. Homologous organs. The homologous organs are those which have inherited from common ancestors with similar developmental pattern in embryos. The forelimbs of mammals are homologous structures: a human hand, a front leg of a cat, flipper of a whale, and bat's wing look dissimilar and adapted for different functions. Their mode of development and basic structure of bone are similar. Analogous organs. The analogous organs look similar and perform similar functions, but they have different origin and developmental pattern. The function of the wings of a bat, the wings of a bird, and wings of an insect are similar, but their basic structures are different. Vestigial organs. The degenerated and non-functional organs of animals are called vestigial organs. The same organs are found to be well developed and functional in some of the related forms. Some of the vestigial organs in man are vermiform appendix, nictitating membrane, caudal vertebra, coccyx, etc. Atavism. The reappearances of ancestral characters in some individuals is called atavism. Example: presence of rudimentary tail in newborn babies, presence of thick hair on the human body.